Hello. In this short video, I will explain to you how the intuitive user interface of the new CS8200 3D Neo Edition will improve your user experience. We can take an example using our Carestream Dental environment. Once the patient has been entered in the patient work list of the CS imaging platform, select the examination you want to perform. Let's start with a panoramic exam. As you can see, the interface is brand new and modern. All the functionalities are available on the same screen. In 2D, on the left part of the screen, you can directly select the program that you want to perform. On the right side of the screen, the options for each program. At the bottom of the screen, you can select the morphotype, the shape of the arch, and the dose. The goal has been to develop an intuitive user interface in order to reduce the number of clicks before launching an exam. By reducing the number of clicks, it helps you save time. I will now exit the 2D mode to continue with the 3D interface. In 3D, the modern and user-friendly interface allows a direct selection of the kind of examination, the area of interest, the different field of views, as well as basic settings like morphotype or resolution, and advanced settings like scout view, which quickly shoots at a drastically reduced dose to target the area of interest. Metal artifact reduction, and noise reduction. The brand new user experience provided by the new interface will help to reduce the learning curve in order to make you and your team quickly comfortable with the equipment. Thank you for watching, and you can discover more advantages and benefits in other videos.